Have you ever fantasized about being a secret agent? What if you could send covert messages that are only visible under a special light? Introducing a revolutionary gadget designed for both fun and security. Perfect for parties, classroom activities, and personal use. It's lightweight, safe, and easy to carry, allowing you to write hidden messages that can be revealed instantly with a built-in LED light. In today's video, we unveil the mystery behind this amazing device. Stay tuned to discover how it can transform your creative expressions. Let's go right in. Looking for a discreet recording device? The iSpyPen Pro X stands out with its blend of functionality and covert design, making it a top choice for hidden camera pens. Key factors to consider include high resolution for clear footage, clear audio in noisy environments, long battery life for extended recording, sufficient storage, user-friendly controls, and a sleek, durable design. The iSpyPen Pro X is designed for discreet and efficient recording. It features 1080p HD video, an integrated microphone, high-resolution photo capability, a 32GB micro SD card expandable to 128GB, and a one-button operation for ease of use. Its rechargeable battery offers around 60 minutes of continuous recording, and it is compatible with both Windows and Mac systems. Discover the new Zanco Tiny T1, the world's smallest phone. This incredibly compact device fits comfortably between your thumb and forefinger, feeling both substantial and well-constructed. Its design, reminiscent of old-school Nokia phones, offers a nostalgic, no-frills experience without the complications of modern smartphones. Navigating the Zanco Tiny T1 is easy with its 4-directional scroll button, and it delivers call quality comparable to regular smartphones. Text messaging, though requiring multiple key presses for each letter, is made manageable by the curved keys. The 5mm screen displays text messages one word at a time, ensuring readability despite its size. While the Zanco Tiny T1 isn't meant to replace your smartphone, it serves as a perfect alternative when you want to disconnect. Ideal as a backup phone, it excels in simplicity, making and receiving calls, and its tiny size makes it a fun conversation piece. Durable and easy to carry, it offers a minimalist experience for those moments when less is more. Ever wished you could comfortably read or watch TV while lying flat? The Vinmax Lazy Reader glasses provide the perfect solution. Using angled mirrors, these glasses let you see at a 90-degree angle, reducing neck and back strain by eliminating the need for head movement. Ideal for those with posture issues or anyone wanting to relax without hunching over, these glasses offer a simple and effective way to enjoy your favorite activities while lying down. Surprisingly easy to use, the Vinmax Lazy Reader glasses can be worn alone or over regular glasses. The angled mirrors provide a clear, crisp view of reading material or screens. Although initially disorienting, users can quickly adapt to the new perspective. Meet the Xenxo S-Ring. The Xenxo S-Ring is a groundbreaking wearable that merges multiple smart functions into one sleek device. This innovative ring, launched by an Indian startup, boasts over 12 features including voice calling, fitness tracking, gesture control, and emergency SOS alerts. Connecting to your smartphone via Bluetooth 5.0, the S-Ring enables high-definition calls through its built-in earpiece and microphone. It also offers 4 GB of internal storage, gesture control via a 3-axis accelerometer, and NFC for one-tap payments. The ring tracks health metrics, acts as a silent, vibrating alarm, integrates with Siri and Google Assistant, and features a Bluetooth key for smart door access, an access card function with an infrared proximity sensor, and a separation alert to prevent leaving your phone behind. The Xenxo S-Ring includes a rechargeable LiPo battery providing up to 3 hours of talk time and 5 days on standby. It is waterproof with IPX7 certification and dust-resistant. Curious about the latest in tech? The Xenxo S-Ring, with its multifunctional capabilities like voice calling, fitness tracking, and gesture control, is just one of the groundbreaking gadgets we've reviewed. Stay tuned as we explore more cutting-edge devices designed to simplify and enhance your life. Discover the MP 3-foot mini wireless earpiece, a groundbreaking gadget that redefines discretion and convenience. Designed to be virtually undetectable, this innovative device allows you to control audio playback with your toes. Ideal for exams and secret communication, it enables you to record notes on an MP3 loop and hide the control buttons inside your shoes. Place the earpiece in your ear, conceal the MP3 loop under your shirt, and use toe presses to play and control tracks effortlessly. This seamless setup ensures you remain unnoticed while accessing crucial information. The MP3-foot mini wireless earpiece delivers high-quality sound for up to 10 hours without needing a phone, making it an essential tool for anyone seeking a covert audio solution. Its advanced Bluetooth model connects to your phone, allowing you to receive and make calls directly from the earpiece. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience, whether you're studying, attending meetings, or needing to stay connected on the go. Unlock the power of acing your exams with the Magic Calculator. This device is your ultimate exam companion that looks like a regular calculator but offers much more. This ingenious device hides photos, videos, and unlimited text, making it perfect for discreet note-taking during exams. Simply enter a specific combination of numbers to unlock a hidden menu with apps designed to help you succeed. The Magic Calculator features an emergency button that instantly switches back to calculator mode, ensuring you stay safe if anyone glances over. It supports all video formats, allowing you to create and view step-by-step solution videos for challenging problems. Additionally, you can adjust text size and screen brightness, ensuring optimal visibility in any lighting condition. With 4 GB of storage, the Magic Calculator can store text, pictures, videos, and music, all accessible through a simple, easy-to-use interface. Stay ahead in your exams with this innovative and discreet tool. Introducing the rolling paper pen, the ultimate tool for discreet note-taking. This innovative pen features a side clip that, when pulled, extends to reveal a hidden roll of paper. Simply release the clip, and the paper automatically rolls back in, keeping your notes hidden and secure. This pen isn't just about stealth. It's also a high-quality writing instrument. It comes with enough ink to write over a mile and features a cushion ball tip that ensures smooth writing with light or heavy pressure at any angle. The 0.8mm tip produces medium lines, and the pen is available in black, red, blue, green, and violet ink colors, with matching barrel and cap colors. The rolling paper pen includes a reusable, high-quality rollout banner paper that measures 180 by 68 millimeters, providing ample space to write on both sides. Write anything with a pencil and erase it later, making this pen both practical and versatile. Stay ahead with this clever and functional writing tool. Curious about the device we mentioned in the beginning? Well, unleash your inner spy with the Invisible Ink Pen. The Invisible Ink Pen is a creative tool perfect for secret messages and unique designs. The Maladin Invisible Ink Pen comes in packs of 6, each with a built-in LED light on the cap to reveal your hidden writings. Made from lightweight plastic and free from harmful ingredients, these pens are safe and easy to transport. Using the pen is simple. Write your message and shine the UV light to reveal it instantly. Ideal for parties, these pens can be used as fun favors or gifts, allowing kids to enjoy writing secret messages without worry. Each pen is individually packaged, making them great for distribution. The Invisible Ink Pen offers a fun and safe way to express creativity, making it perfect for parties, classroom activities, and personal use. With its engaging and imaginative use, it's a fantastic gift for kids and adults alike. Stay creative and enjoy the magic of hidden messages with this unique product. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Are you a Nintendo Switch user who has been looking for a device that provides an easy way to switch between up to 4 game cards without constantly swapping them out? Well, we have you covered. Stay tuned for our next video where we explore exactly that. See you.